We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
From a weaponized robot dog to an anti-drone laser that can take down swarms from miles away, these groundbreaking military technologies. Sarbot. Kicking off our lineup is the Sarbot robot dog, a groundbreaking innovation in military robotics. Developed entirely by Turkish engineers, it's the first robot dog to be equipped with built-in weaponry, designed to assist ground forces in a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, security, and hazard detection. One of Sarbot's standout features is its ability to identify chemical and radiation threats, adding an extra layer of protection for troops. While it's not the fastest, covering just 2.5 kilometers per hour, it makes up for it with its advanced AI capabilities. Armed with the SR-109T submachine gun, Sarbot boasts an effective range of 100 meters. Its three-dimensional mapping algorithms and AI allow it to navigate complex terrains, making it a powerful tool in modern warfare. ARX Mithra OS. Shifting our focus to Germany, we find ARX Robotics, a company that's revolutionizing military technology. Instead of replacing outdated vehicles, ARX has revamped them using cutting-edge add-ons such as cameras, sensors, and AI-driven systems powered by Mithra OS. This system transforms traditional armored vehicles into autonomous, interconnected units capable of real-time data sharing. Thanks to its swarming pilot system, these vehicles can coordinate movements, enhancing battlefield strategy and effectiveness. Additionally, Mithra OS-equipped vehicles can function as tactical wingmen, operating alongside unmanned aerial drones. With their situational awareness suite, they provide instant intelligence data, making them a game-changer in modern warfare. Which of these AI-powered systems do you think will shape the future of military technology? Sarbot's weaponized robot dog or ARX Mithra OS's smart vehicles? Silas Helma P. You may have seen the latest tech innovations at the Olympics, but some of the most impressive ones were behind the scenes. Like Helma P, a French-developed anti-drone laser system designed for defensive operations. Using a 2-kilowatt laser module, Helma P can neutralize drones from 1 kilometer away, while at 3 kilometers, it can disable their optical systems. This means it can effectively take down micro-drones as small as 100 grams and even large UAVs over 20 kilograms. French developers continue to enhance Helma P with plans to introduce an advanced turret equipped with night vision cameras in the near future. It's one of the most promising anti-drone defenses available today. Bullfrog. Unlike laser-based systems, the Bullfrog takes a more traditional yet highly effective approach to drone defense, using a 7.62mm M240 machine gun. What makes Bullfrog special is its AI-powered targeting system, trained on millions of aerial images, resulting in an incredibly low false negative rate of less than 2%. This allows it to accurately detect and eliminate drones, even large UAVs weighing up to 600 kilograms. It has an operational range of 800 meters and is compact enough to be mounted on a pickup truck, weighing less than 180 kilograms and running on a 24V electrical system. Whether for military security or private use, Bullfrog provides a mobile, powerful anti-drone solution. Laser precision or high-caliber firepower. Which anti-drone system do you think is more effective, Helma P or Bullfrog? Servitech Inflatable Walls Training System. The Servitech Group is widely known for its air-based emergency equipment, but its IWTS, or Inflatable Walls Training System, is taking military training to new levels. Designed for urban combat simulations, the IWTS consists of inflatable, modular blocks that can be connected to create large-scale training environments. Covering 800 square meters, the system can be set up in just 35 minutes, making it perfect for military drills, law enforcement training, or emergency response teams. Despite being lightweight and easy to transport, these inflatable walls are durable enough to withstand blank fire, adding a realistic edge to training exercises. Agilité Magnetics. Agilité, an Israeli tactical gear manufacturer, is renowned for high-quality military equipment, and their latest innovation, the Magnetics Tactical Belt, is set to become a game-changer. One of the biggest challenges with tactical belts is keeping them secure, especially when loaded with gear. The Magnetics solves this issue with a patented magnetic locking system that automatically adjusts and holds its position, ensuring zero slippage during use. Additionally, the inner belt features high-tech composite materials designed to gradually mold to the wearer's body, increasing comfort and flexibility. It's also fully mold-compatible, making it a must-have for military personnel, law enforcement, and outdoor enthusiasts. At $239, it's a premium investment, but for those who demand durability, security, and comfort, it's worth every dollar. KNDS Boxer Bridge Layer. KNDS Holding, a collaboration between Germany's KMW and France's Nexter, has taken the Boxer armored fighting vehicle and transformed it into a highly adaptable bridge layer. This vehicle is crucial for both military and civilian operations, capable of deploying a 22-meter-long bridge in under 6 minutes. If a smaller bridge is needed, the system can lay a 14-meter bridge in just 4 minutes. Built on the Boxer platform, this bridge layer comes with advanced protection against IEDs, mines, and even chemical, biological, and radioactive threats, ensuring safety in high-risk environments. Mira C-21. The Mira C-21 is a full-face respirator developed in the United States, offering exceptional protection and comfort, even for military use. Every design element has been carefully thought out. One of its standout features is its ambidextrous filter system, allowing users to switch the filter position to avoid interference when using weapons. It also includes a built-in communication system and an anti-CO2 buildup design, ensuring maximum focus and concentration. Engineered to function in extreme temperatures from 70 degrees Celsius to minus 40 degrees Celsius, the Mira C-21 protects against chemical, biological, and nuclear threats. With a 10-year service life and a price tag of $500, it's a worthwhile investment for professionals working in hazardous conditions. What's more vital, KNDS's rapid deployment bridges or the advanced protection of the Mira C-21? Let us know your thoughts. Northrop Grumman Model 437. The U.S. company Northrop Grumman continues to push the limits of aerospace technology. The U.S. Space Force has already commissioned them to develop satellites for missile detection, but their advancements aren't limited to space. Their Model 437 aircraft is part of the Digital Pathfinder initiative, a groundbreaking project that minimizes development refinements using a fully digital engineering ecosystem. Traditional methods require up to 20% adjustments, but this process cuts it down to just 1%, vastly improving efficiency. The Model 437 can fly at an altitude of 7.6 kilometers, stay airborne for 6 hours, and travel up to 5,556 kilometers. With a 97-kilogram payload capacity, it's even capable of carrying 2 AIM-10 air-to-air missiles, making it an important addition to modern aerial warfare. EBAD Breacher Strip. At first glance, EBAD's breacher strip might look like ordinary tape, but it's actually a powerful explosive breaching tool. Developed by EBAD Bigford Aerospace and Defense, this strip contains primer sheet, an explosive made from PETN, the same material found in anti-tank high-explosive projectiles. It also features nitrocellulose and a plasticizer, giving it remarkable destructive power. Certified for international military use, the breacher strip is ideal for blowing open doors, windows, and even walls, allowing forces to clear obstacles efficiently in high-risk operations. Rafael Light Beam. If you're a fan of military tech, you've likely heard of Rafael, the renowned Israeli defense company behind the Light Beam laser defense system. Designed for counter-drone operations, Light Beam stands out due to its impressive range and cost efficiency. It can neutralize swarms of UAVs from 2 kilometers away, and each shot costs just a few dollars. Additionally, Light Beam is versatile. It can complement existing defense systems and even target improvised explosive devices, mines, and mortar shells using its 10-kilowatt laser. This makes it a valuable asset for modern battlefield operations. Which technology do you think is more critical? EOD-1's bomb suit for human safety or Light Beam's laser defense against drone swarms? Drop your opinions below. FNSS Tiber 35. FNSS Defense Systems Inc., one of Turkey's leading defense companies, specializes in developing tracked and wheeled armored vehicles. One of their standout projects is the Paris 8x8 armored fighting vehicle, equipped with the advanced Tiber 35 turret. This system can be operated remotely, and comes with a Bushmaster III 50mm automatic cannon, making it a formidable combat vehicle. With this turret, the Pars 8x8 can fire multiple types of ammunition, enabling it to neutralize tanks, UAVs, and other threats. When equipped with a 40mm cannon, it can fire up to 200 rounds per minute, making it a powerful force on the battlefield. Roketsan Pusu. At Free Fire 2024, Turkey showcased its latest mobile missile system, the Pusu, developed by Roketsan. Designed for pickup truck deployment, the Pusu system is equipped with 4 missiles, including the 70mm precision-guided Roketsan Sirit. These versatile warheads can be high explosive, thermobaric, or incendiary, making them effective against a variety of targets. The Sirhat missile, another part of this system, boasts a range of 8 kilometers and an accuracy of within a 3x3 meter area. Additionally, friendly forces and helicopters can designate targets, enhancing battlefield coordination. Ripsaw M3. Developed by the U.S. defense giant Textron, the Ripsaw M3 is a next-generation robotic combat vehicle designed to excel on modern battlefields. Thanks to its modular open architecture, the M3 can be fitted with various mission-specific modules, from heavy engineering tools to autonomous combat systems. It can carry up to 2,268 kilograms, making it ideal for both combat and logistics roles. With a 290-kilometer operational range, electric propulsion for silent movement, and a top speed of 48 kilometers per hour, the Ripsaw M3 is a highly mobile and efficient battlefield asset. Additionally, its compact size allows it to be airlifted by a Boeing CH-47 Chinook. Which do you think offers the best battlefield advantage, Roketsan's mobile missile system or Textron's highly adaptable Ripsaw M3? Let us know in the comments. Segalek, Rapid Expandable Shelter. French company Segalek Defense has developed a highly adaptable mobile shelter that's perfect for both civilian and military applications. At first glance, it looks like a standard 6-meter container, but it conceals a sophisticated wheeled expansion system that allows it to be deployed in minutes. This modular shelter can be airlifted, making it a great option for rapid response teams. Once set up, it expands to provide between 45 and 89 square meters of usable space depending on the configuration. In its standard version, it can function as a kitchen, workshop, laundry facility, or even a command center. To ensure complete self-sufficiency, the shelter comes equipped with communication systems, electricity, ventilation, and air conditioning, ready for any mission. Would you rather have the high-tech stealth of the Dive XL underwater drone or the rapid deployment capabilities of the Segalek shelter? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Barkan. Another impressive Turkish innovation, the Barkan is an autonomous ground vehicle developed to assist soldiers on the battlefield. Designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and even direct combat, Barkan is powered by advanced AI that enables it to identify and engage targets autonomously. Its modular design allows it to be equipped with various sensors and weapons, adapting to different combat scenarios. Whether it's providing fire support or scouting ahead, Barkan proves to be a valuable battlefield companion. XB-1. The XB-1 is a cutting-edge, experimental supersonic jet, built to revive the era of faster-than-sound travel. Developed with carbon composite materials and an aerodynamically optimized design, it's a testbed for the future of commercial supersonic aviation. Equipped with state-of-the-art propulsion systems, the XB-1 aims to set the foundation for next-generation supersonic passenger jets, promising a revolution in air travel. Though it's still in development and testing, experts believe this technology could reshape the way we fly in the near future. What excites you more, Barkan's AI-powered combat vehicle or the return of supersonic travel with the XB-1? Share your choice below. That's a wrap! From AI-powered robotic dogs to cutting-edge supersonic jets, the future of military and defense technology is evolving faster than ever. Each of these innovations brings something unique to the battlefield, whether it's advanced situational awareness, enhanced firepower, or next-gen mobility.